Hey guys, I'm Amor. Welcome to Tech Stop. The LG Wing 5G is the next smartphone from LG, launching on September 14. It is a dual screen smartphone with a unique design. As it know, one can rotate the main display of the LG Wing 5G at a 90-degree angle in a T-like formation. It was at the end of the previous month that Android Authority had shared a video of the device to showcase its design in real. Now, popular tipster Evan Blask has shared a press render of the LG Wing 5G to reveal its rare design and color variant. The press render shows that the main rotating display of the LG Wing 5G has thin bezel on its left and right edge. The upper and lower bezel are slightly thick but are symmetrical in appearance. It is speculated that the device has a 4-inch secondary display. The secondary display screen is expected to offer an aspect ratio of 1:1. A physical fingerprint sensor cannot be seen on the device. Probably it could be incorporated in the main screen of the device. Also unclear is the placement of the selfie camera on the smartphone. The LG Wing 5G will come in two colorways such as a white-blue gradient and black. It has a rectangle-shaped camera module on its back. It has 3 lenses and a LED flash. The camera design appears similarly to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Even though the LG Wing 5G has 2 screens, it does not appear very thick. A leaked video that had surfaced earlier this week revealed the presence of a USB-C port and a speaker grill on the bottom edge of the LG Wing 5G. Unfortunately, the rumored mill has not revealed any detail on the specs of the LG Wing 5G. Unconfirmed rumor has claimed that it may not be a flagship device since it may feature a Snapdragon 7 series chipset. The device could be launching with a price tag of $1,000. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and peace out.